guys? It's G from Roger today. And today I'm bringing you guys a brand new video. It's kind of windy. It's kind of cold. I got my car sitting in the garage. Tonight we actually got a little Mustang meet to go to. It's like a Mustangs of Houston car meet. And me and the homie Nico got some VIP spots there. So right now I'm about to start up the Mustang. I haven't started in like 2 days. So I'm about to start it up, and then I think I want to put some tire shine on, and I want to detail it a little bit so she's looking a little clean. I washed her like 2-3 days ago, but she got some mud on her. Trust me, I do not take her off-roading. But I'm about to get her started. I want to pull her out like right here, and then we'll get to detailing. So let's get it. I don't know how loud this is gonna be because this is like a 2 to 3 day cold start. It's gonna be kind of loud. Hope she starts. For a sec, and then I'm gonna get to detailing. So, because I don't want to just turn her on and then turn her back off. So yeah, I'm about to start detailing. This is the detailer I use. I think I showed you guys this before, but right now, you know, I just gotta, like right here, the car is like has some freaking mud on it. So gotta clean up stuff like that. Probably gonna clean my wheels, and then yeah, we're gonna meet up with the homies Nico and Alex, and then we're gonna head out. Oh, that thing sounds good. That bit look, woo, that bit look good. We got everybody pulled up. Got Nico right here. Got me pulled up. Right there, got this random M4 pulled up. Got my car chilling right here. Going down, boys. Gotta get that sauce. I've been filled up. Might as well put this up. Ah, damn. Yeah, about 5 minutes. About to head out. Got my car right there. About to link up, bro. To like kind of explain like what meet we were going to or what was going on. So there's a little meet at Bombshells. It's a little Mustang meet, and me and Nico, they actually gave us VIP spots there. So we were like, all right, well now we really got to pull up. So we're rolling deep. You guys just saw some rollers, and you guys saw us at the gas station. So we should be there in like 20-30 minutes, and then I'll pick up the camera when I'm there. So let's get it. We just pulled up here. I got my car parked back there. I met a few fans. That's what's up. That's what's up. Nico right here got his car parked back there. And yeah, I got myself a NOS. This is tradition. I always gotta get a NOS. Always gotta get a NOS. You see that thing? Dang.
It's the
mammoth. Look at it.
Is it the 4.4?
I think this is a 3.6.
It's 3.6?
Yeah.
This one's big.
Yeah, it's pretty big.
This thing's nice too.
And,
It's on full Ford stars.
To the tire on the 85.
Oh, shit, through?
Yeah.
Makes how much?
810 to the tire on the
Ooh,
85.
yeah.
God
That's
damn.
what's up. That's
It's
what's up,
nasty.
bro.
And it's got airlift on it too.
It's bagged too.
What?
It's
It's
bagged.
bagged, too.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Bagged and boosted. Where's Andres at?
How many horsepower?
810 to the tire.
Oh,
Yeah.
Got 4 stars.
that's dope. That's dope.
Got my car chilling right here. I got her all nice and detailed. I showed y'all. I freaking detailed the crap out of her before I got here. Got a nice gray Mustang chilling next to me. There's Mustangs everywhere. Like I said, this is a little Mustang meet, so it's pretty dope. I'm kind of enjoying it. There's a lot of cars here, and yeah, I got the homie Grant right here. I don't know if it's gonna be interesting. This is one of my subscribers too, the homie. Got a nice clean boss. I'll probably walk over there later. As you guys can see, there's like a bunch of people parking back here. So I'm gonna find Nico real quick, because I know I kind of walked away from them, and then we're probably all gonna go look at the cars together. So I'm kind of walking around like my car is parked in the VIP, me and Nico's car is parked back there, and I'm like just looking at the cars that are parked like in the, I don't want to say overflow lot, but I guess it's like Mustangs only tonight. So I don't know why there's a Shelby sitting right there, but it's Mustangs only tonight, so they only want Mustangs parked in the lot over there. But I mean, it's pretty dope. They got a bunch of different types of Mustangs out here tonight. They got this clean 3-valve. Ooh, I got a soft spot for 3-valves, man. That thing's clean. Woo! Alright, that 3-valve's clean. Hey man, if y'all know that guy's Instagram, I want it, because I got a nice soft spot for 3-valves. I don't really know where Nico went. I kind of lost Nico. Okay, I guess there's more cars parked over here. I lost Nico, but I'm just gonna, it's way too hard to try and find him, so I'm just gonna keep walking around. And you got a little cam tune on? Hey, chop. Smell kind of funny. Got a good looking little orange Fury right here. It's looking nice. This wrap is kind of gnarly. I don't know if y'all can see it. Even the wheels are kind of wrapped. That's crazy. This nice little green 18. Man, these 18s, man, I could never get enough of them. Always looking freaking mean. This is our boy that was riding with us. This thing's clean. It's a bagged 350Z wide body. This thing's fresh. The homie Jose Jenkins parked right here. My boys right here. Ooh, man, damn, Jose parking like a whole family car for real. But yep, it's dope. They got a lot of dope Mustangs here. A lot of dope Mustangs. So far, this is a pretty dope turnout. I mean, there's a good amount of cars here, so, and I love how like different the builds are. There's like all types of cars here. This is my second Bombshells that I've been to, so just shopping. Man, motherfucker got a whole crowd around his ass. You got a whole crowd. We about to head out. We're all gonna head out. So I'm about to go home on my car too. That bitch bad though.